Did you know that over 60% of businesses struggle to find new clients consistently? That means most companies are leaving money on the table simply because they don't know how to generate leads effectively. But here's the good news. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how businesses find clients, the strategies, the tools, and the step by step methods you can start using right away to grow your own business. So, if you want to stop guessing and start attracting clients like clockwork, stick around because this is the video that will give you the blueprint. Hi, I'm Fahad, and welcome to Wealthwise Hub, where we make marketing simple and actionable for anyone. In this video, we're going to cover three key things. First, what lead generation really is and why it's so important for businesses of all sizes. Next, the most common strategies businesses use to find clients, so you can see what works in the real world. And finally, how you can apply these methods yourself, whether you're running a business or just getting started. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint for generating leads effectively and consistently. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tips that can help grow your business. So, what exactly is lead generation? In simple terms, it's the process businesses use to find people who are genuinely interested in their product or service. Here's an easy example. Imagine a local gym offering free trial classes. They ask people to leave their email or phone number to sign up. Those people are now leads, potential clients who are already interested in what the gym offers. Lead generation isn't just for gyms. Every business, big or small, uses similar strategies to connect with the right audience. The better you get at generating leads, the more clients you can attract consistently and predictably. Think of it like building a pipeline. The more qualified leads you bring in, the more opportunities you have to turn them into paying customers. Now that we know what lead generation is, you might be wondering, why does it really matter? First, it makes sales more predictable. Instead of hoping the next customer will show up, businesses can consistently reach out to interested leads. Second, it gives you a better return on your marketing efforts. When you focus on people who are already interested, your time and money go further. Third, it helps businesses grow sustainably. Leads provide a steady flow of potential clients, allowing a business to expand without constantly scrambling for new customers. Here's a quick example. Businesses that nurture their leads see a 50% increase in sales ready leads. That's the power of a strong lead generation strategy. It turns interest into actual clients. Now, let's talk about the top methods businesses use to generate leads. These are proven strategies you can apply no matter the size of your business. 1. Content marketing. This is creating valuable content like blogs, videos, or guides that attracts people to your business. For example, a software company might write a blog on productivity tips and collect emails from readers interested in their tool. 2. Social media and ads platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram are gold mines for leads. Businesses can run targeted ads or share engaging posts to attract potential clients. A local cafe, for instance, might use Instagram ads to promote a special tasting event and gather signups. 3. Email marketing. Once you have leads, email campaigns help nurture them. Newsletters, updates, and drip campaigns keep your business top of mind. Think of it as a gentle reminder to potential clients that your product or service exists. 4. Referrals and partnerships. Word of mouth is powerful. Encouraging satisfied clients to refer others or partnering with complementary businesses can generate high quality leads. For example, a photographer might partner with a wedding planner to get new clients. 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your website so it ranks higher on Google helps people find you when they're actively searching. A local plumber, for example, might rank for emergency plumbing services near me to attract nearby clients. 6. Webinars and free workshops. Hosting webinars or workshops gives value upfront and allows businesses to collect leads directly. A marketing consultant might offer a free webinar on boost your social media in 30 days and capture emails from attendees. 7. Lead magnets. This is offering something valuable in exchange for contact info like free ebooks, templates, or checklists. For example, a fitness coach might give away a free 7-day meal plan in exchange for email addresses. These 7 methods are the most effective ways businesses consistently find clients. The key is to choose 1 to 2 methods to start, test them, and optimize as you go. Which of these methods do you think would work best for your business? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll guide you on how to get started. Now that you know the top methods to generate leads, let's take it a step further and explore the lead generation funnel, the roadmap that takes a complete stranger and turns them into a paying customer. Stick with me, because understanding this funnel is what will make all these strategies truly effective. Before we dive into the tools and techniques, let's quickly talk about the lead generation funnel. Think of it as a roadmap that takes a complete stranger and turns them into a paying customer. Awareness. First, people need to discover you. Interest. Next, you give them free value to grab their attention. Consideration. Then, you show proof that your product or service works. Conversion. Finally, you guide them to take action and become a customer. Now that you have a clear picture of the funnel, let's break down how each stage works in the real world and the exact tools you can use. Stage 1, Awareness. Get discovered online. At the top of the funnel, it's all about visibility. You want potential clients to find you where they already hang out. Some examples include YouTube reviews, TikTok tutorials, SEO, blog posts, Instagram reels. Stage 2, Interest, deliver free value. Here, free value acts as a magnet. People are more likely to engage with your business if you give them something useful first. Examples of free value: PDF guides, mini courses, simple email. Free value builds trust and keeps leads engaged. Stage 3, Consideration, show proof. When people are considering your offer, they need proof that it works. This builds credibility and motivates them to take action. Ways to show proof: case studies, income, screenshots, transformation stories. For example, a course creator I know posts monthly income reports on Instagram stories. Her transparency doubled her course sales because potential clients could see real results. Stage 4, Conversion, automate, and close. Finally, we reach conversion. This is where leads become customers, and up next, I'll reveal the 3 biggest mistakes that kill online income potential, including the one that cost me $5,000 in my first year. Don't make the same errors I did. Mistake number 1, chasing every strategy at once. One of the biggest errors I see beginners make is trying every marketing tactic at the same time: social media, blogging, YouTube, email, paid ads, all at once. The problem? You spread yourself too thin and nothing gets done well. Focus on 1 to 2 methods, master them, then expand. For example, I started with just YouTube and email marketing. Once I had consistent results, I added a blog and Instagram. That approach saved me time, money, and stress. Mistake number 2, ignoring the follow-up. Many people focus only on getting leads, but never follow up properly. Leads don't convert overnight. Automated email sequences, reminders, and retargeting ads are crucial. Remember, the fortune is in the follow-up. Mistake number 3, not testing and optimizing. Finally, failing to test and optimize is a huge mistake. Every audience is different. What works for one business may not work for yours. Track your results, look at analytics, and adjust. I learned this the hard way. In my first year, I lost $5,000 testing ads that weren't optimized. Once I started tracking conversions and tweaking strategies, my income skyrocketed. Test, measure, improve, repeat. So, which mistake do you think is most likely holding you back right now? Comment below and I'll help you figure out a fix. Up next, I'll show you a pro tips and step-by-step action plan to start generating leads and making money online, even if you're starting from scratch. 1, consistency beats perfection. Post, share, or send emails regularly. Even small efforts add up. 2, repurpose content. Turn one blog post into a YouTube video, an Instagram reel, and a PDF guide. Work smarter, not harder. 3, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, answer questions, and create polls. Engagement builds trust and loyalty. 4, track your metrics. Open rates, click-throughs, views, and conversions. Keep an eye on them to know what's working. Now let's see action plan. Step by step. Here's a simple action plan to start generating leads and making money online. 1, pick your platforms. Choose 1 to 2 channels where your audience already hangs out. 2. Create a lead magnet. Offer a free guide, mini course, or template to attract people. 3. Set up an email sequence. Follow up automatically and nurture your leads. For show proof, share testimonials, results, or case studies to build credibility. 5. Automate your funnel. Use tools to move leads from awareness to conversion without constant manual effort. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll see real results in weeks, not months. To recap, we covered so far what lead generation is and why it matters, the lead generation funnel and its 4 stages, 7 top methods to generate leads, the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid, and a step-by-step action plan to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. I post weekly tips to help you grow your business online. Finally, I want to hear from you. Which stage of the funnel will you focus on first? Awareness, interest, consideration, or conversion? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll personally guide you on the best next step.